chores are finally done. Am I taking a break? You better believe her. I'm gonna sit right here and watch JC's Outdoor Fever.
That big boy coming through the property. He's sniffing. Something spooks him. Away he goes. There's the mom and the baby. Well, not a baby anymore. Not on its own, but almost old enough to be on its own. It is hunting season, so maybe it would be pretty soon. Mom's coming over to investigate a little bit. I think she smells something. Maybe she's smelling summer. We walk through there. Must be the little one's a little dirty around the neck. And she's like, time to move on. Come on, little one. Let's go this way. The little one's like, there's somebody watching us. This one here is just getting a bite to eat on the other side of the house, where we had camera set up for a while. And didn't even notice that there was one down further until it moved. Another one joined the party. This is out where the new shed's going to be. Cabin. We had it there for a little while and had a lot of visitors. Got to find out what was eating our was it cherry tree? I ate the leaves right off our cherry tree. I think this one's probably one of them. More likely mom and two smaller ones. Taking the trail through the front yard. This one here is enjoying the spring, I guess, overflow from the swamp that comes up into the property. And look, there's two of them. Lots of fresh stuff to eat. Mama's probably not too far from them. They're cute little buggers. Look, this one's inspecting the beaver's work. We're going to go and see Mom. Oh, we got some more visitors. This is a popular area where the beaver's been working on. They all can come over and check out the work from the beaver. Let's see how it's going.
Inspectors in training.
Yeah, inspectors in training. Meanwhile, the boss, he just showed up. He says, I got a lot of work to do. I'm not going to work on it just at night. I'm going to work on it during the daylight, too. The wood chips are flying. There's a nice healthy beaver right there. Taking on a pretty good sized popple tree. But he gets it down. He or she. Maybe they take turns. Oh, another inspector. That one said the tree is almost down. Need a good stiff wind to help take it down. This one's got a itch. Even in nature, you get an itch, you gotta scratch it. We got Mom and Fawn. Hey, thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button.